Do you want to know what Shopify theme your competitors are using? Here's how. Here are the three main ways that I like to use to figure out what Shopify theme my competitor is using. So the first thing we want to do is load up their website. I've got Coco Flourish here as an example, and I know these guys are on Shopify. I know what Shopify theme they're using, but if I wanted to find that out, what I would do is right click, hit inspect, come over to the console tab, and then I would type Shopify with a capital S. And if we just hit enter on that, it's going to return an object which has their myshopify.com domain, which tells me that they are indeed on Shopify. And then the first version is to type shopify.theme.name. And that tells me Lorenza. So if you put that into Google, you'll find that Lorenza is actually a Shopify theme. Sometimes this doesn't work because they change the name on the back end and then it comes up with like some sort of weird version name or whatever they've last updated their theme to. So the other version I like to use is type boomr.theme, name with a capital N, hit enter, and we get Lorenza as well. Now this method works most of the time, but it doesn't work for the bigger, more popular stores because they often use a custom theme. For example, if we go to allbirds.com, do the same thing, right click, inspect element, come to the console, we'll just clear that out quickly. We'll type Shopify. That tells us that they are in fact on Shopify. And then we try typing Shopify.theme name. We get package cleanup V1001. So this is just a version name of their custom theme, and that's what you'll find on the bigger stores. We can try the boomer.theme name, and that also gives us something that doesn't tell us anything. So these guys are on a custom theme, and therefore you don't actually know what theme they're using because it's custom built. Now the third method is to open up a technology that's called Built With. So if you just type Built With into Google, you'll find this website. And then what you do is grab your domain name or URL of whoever you want to look up, you paste that into here, and that's going to give you a list of all the different technologies that this website crawler can find within that website, and one of them is going to be Shopify. So if we scroll down, we can see here e-commerce, Shopify, and then we can see Shopify Lorenza theme. And that's how to check what Shopify theme your competitors are using.